Number 1, 1958 Chevrolet Impala. This beauty originally came with a factory 348 engine, paired with a manual transmission, making it a true classic for any vintage car enthusiast. While the 3-speed transmission is currently missing, don't worry, I've still got the original 348 engine, and to make this deal even sweeter, I'm including a 409 engine as well. Imagine the potential with that powertrain setup. This Impala has all the charm you'd expect from a high desert car, with minimal rust. A small spot in the trunk floor pan, likely from moisture held by the old rubber mat. It's a solid find, retaining its original factory interior, which is in great shape considering the car's age. The original wheels and hubcaps are still on, and we've fitted them with new radial tires, so it's ready to roll in style. Whether you're a collector looking to restore a classic to its former glory, or an enthusiast wanting to build something special, this 58 Impala offers a fantastic foundation. The timeless design, coupled with the chance to choose between two iconic engines, makes this a project car with endless possibilities. Number 2. This gem is more than just a car. She's a piece of history, meticulously brought back to life by a man whose mission was to recreate his dad's beloved ride from yesteryear. The dedication and craftsmanship poured into this restoration are evident in every detail, from the gleaming exterior to the smooth-running engine. Flo, as she's affectionately known, is not just a showpiece. She's a fully functional beauty. She starts up effortlessly, her engine purring with a satisfying rumble that speaks to her powerful heart. On the road, Flo handles like a dream, with a ride so smooth it feels like gliding on air. Whether cruising through town or taking a leisurely drive, she delivers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and exhilarating. One of her unique features is the incredibly quick window gears, a small but delightful detail that adds to the overall charm and functionality of this classic car. For me, Flo has been more than just a vehicle. She's been a sunny day companion, perfect for those weekend grocery runs and leisurely drives through the countryside. But as much as I've enjoyed every moment with her, it's time for Flo to find a new home where she can continue to be cherished and appreciated. She's not just a car. She's a testament to a bygone era, lovingly preserved and ready for a new chapter. So, if you're a classic car enthusiast or someone who simply appreciates a beautifully restored piece of history, Flo might just be the perfect addition to your collection. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at everything that makes Flo special, from her impeccable restoration to the way she captures the spirit of a classic American automobile. Number 3, I'm beyond excited to introduce you to an absolute gem from the golden age of American automobiles, a 1959 Chrysler Windsor Coupe. This classic car is a true testament to the style and craftsmanship of its era, and it's a pleasure to showcase it in all its glory. With just 999 kilometers on the clock, this Windsor has been meticulously cared for, preserving its original charm and mechanical integrity. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 383 RB engine, known for its impressive power and smooth performance. Paired with a rare push-button automatic transmission, this Chrysler offers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and uniquely engaging. The push-button feature was a cutting-edge innovation at the time, and it still feels incredibly cool and distinctive today. This car doesn't just start up and drive, it transports you back to a time when driving was a true art form. The seats and door panels have been given a new lease on life, ensuring comfort and style for both the driver and passengers. The reupholstery work has been done with an eye for detail, maintaining the original aesthetic while providing a fresh, luxurious feel. Sitting in this car is like taking a step back in time, with all the benefits of modern craftsmanship. It's a piece of automotive history, a relic of a bygone era, and a testament to the enduring appeal of classic American design. It's rare to find a vehicle of this age in such excellent condition, with both the mechanicals and aesthetics so well preserved. Number 4, A1 Chevrolet 210 four-door station wagon. This beauty is equipped with a reliable 235 six-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, affectionately known as 3 on the tree. It also features posy traction and electric wipers, making it a standout from its era. The car is 100% complete and runs great, offering a solid foundation for either restoration or driving as is. However, it's not without its quirks. The floors and rockers have rust, and it does leak oil, which is typical for a car of this age. As for the mileage, that's a bit of a mystery. The odometer has likely gone around more than once, so we can only guess at the true number of miles. This car is perfect for those who appreciate the charm and character of vintage vehicles. Please note that we're only looking to connect with serious buyers. Low ballers will be ignored. And no, we don't have additional pictures. If you're genuinely interested, come see the car in person and make an offer. So, if you're ready to add a piece of automotive history to your collection, this 57 Chevy 210 wagon might just be the perfect ride for you. Number 5, the 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne 4-door. With a mere 8,500 original miles on the odometer, this beauty boasts a robust 283 V8 motor paired with power steering and power brakes, making it a comfortable cruiser in its day. The car is a testament to original condition preservation, showcasing minor dents, but remarkably no rust on the exterior or underneath. A rare find for a vehicle of this vintage. This solid Biscayne is a time capsule from the past, having been lovingly stored in a garage for over 30 years. However, while the body remains in commendable shape, it does require some attention to the drivetrain, particularly its 2-speed hydroglide transmission, to bring it back to its former glory on the road. The motor, believed to be original, adds to the car's authenticity and charm. Whether you're a classic car collector or just a fan of vintage automobiles, this Chevrolet Biscayne offers a wonderful opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with a solid foundation and plenty of potential for restoration. Number 6, 1960. Cadillac Series 62 2-door hardtop that's been sitting for quite some time and is in need of some serious TLC. I picked this beauty up last winter as a potential starter project, but I recently found another 1960 Caddy that I just couldn't pass up. So this one is now up for grabs. It's got a lot going for it with a full set of 1960 wheels, hubcaps, and fender skirts included, and the engine is still running strong. There's some rust present in the rockers, floor, and front fenders, but it's not too severe. Plus, I'm throwing in a spare fender and some patch panels to help with the restoration. If you're up for a rewarding project and have the passion for classic Cadillacs, this could be a fantastic opportunity. Let's take a closer look and see what this 1960 Cadillac Series 62 has to offer. Number 7, a 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silverstreak, a true classic that represents the height of GM's innovation and luxury back in the day. This 2-door beauty was ordered fully loaded, and it's packed with a full trim package, showcasing the best of what Pontiac had to offer. Under the hood, you'll find a robust straight 8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, features that made this car a top-of-the-line model in 1950. Now, let's talk about the condition of this Chieftain. The body's in impressive shape overall and doesn't require much in terms of metalwork. There are a few areas that need attention, specifically the front floors and a small spot around the headlights, issues common to these GM models. The engine, however, is currently seized. It'll need either a full rebuild or a small block swap to get it back in working order. Inside, the car is a time capsule of 1950s luxury, with the original interior still intact, but in need of restoration to truly shine. This Pontiac was last registered in Alberta, and it comes with a bill of sale. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast looking for a restoration project, or just appreciate vintage American automobiles, this 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silverstreak is a fantastic find. Stay tuned as we delve into its potential and discuss how you can transform this piece of automotive history into a showstopper once again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content.